what will be the distance between the point A and B? Okay, let us begin. So here it's given here that we have 2 points, point A and point B. A has the coordinates 2, 3, 1. B has the coordinates -1, 2, -3. Now what we'll do, let's join A and B with the help of a directed line segment going from A to B. That means AB is going to be a vector from A to B. Okay, now we're going to consider a point O. O is going to be the origin of the coordinate system with respect to which point A and point B are measured. Now what we'll do, we'll join point O and A with a directed line segment going from O to A, and also join point O and B with another directed line segment going from O to B. So here if we use the triangle OAB, in this triangle OA vector added to AB vector, that's equals to the vector OB. That's from the triangle law of vector addition. This simply implies that AB vector is going to be given by OB vector minus OA vector. We're going to label this as number 1. Now we'll try to find out the vector OB and OA. Now what is OB vector and OA vector? Let's start with OA vector. Now OA vector is simply the position vector of point A, and we can convert it to a vector. All we have to do is take the x coordinate, which is 2, multiply it with I cap, add it to the y coordinate value, that's 3, multiply with j cap, add it to the z component or z coordinate 1, and multiply with k cap. So this is going to be our OA vector. Similarly, we can define the vector OB. So OB vector is going to be the position vector of point B. Now point B has the coordinates -1, 2, and -3. So that means its position vector is going to be defined by -I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. So we have now OA vector and OB vector. So this implies that AB vector from 1 is going to be given by, let's take OB vector first. We have -I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. And from this vector, we're going to subtract OA vector, or the position vector of point A, which is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Let's simplify this by combining the like terms. So we have -I cap minus 2i cap, so that's -3i cap. Then we have 2j cap minus 3j cap, so that's -j cap. We have -3k cap minus k cap, so that's -4k cap. So we have expressed the vector AB in terms of the unit vectors I cap, j cap, and k cap. Now in order to find out the distance between point A and point B, all we have to do is find out the magnitude of vector AB. So we'll find out the magnitude of vector AB. All you have to do is take the square root, and underneath the square root we have to take the sum of square. To take the sum of square, we'll start with coefficient of I cap. So that's -3, square this value. Add it to the square of the coefficient of j cap, so that's -1. So we're going to square this and add it to square of the coefficient of k cap. So that's squaring this value. So this is going to give us square root of 26. So that means the distance between the point A and B, whose coordinates are given, it's going to be square root of 26.